Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to reassign a number to another member. Calilio allows you to reassign phone numbers between members quickly, ensuring smooth communication flow within your organization. You can assign multiple numbers to one member or share the same number among multiple team members. Now let's look at the step-by-step process. From your dashboard, go to Settings and then click on Members. Find the member whose number you want to update and click on the three dots beside their name. Then click on Assign Number. Then choose the number that you want to assign. And finally, click on Done to confirm the reassignment. And that's it. The number is now successfully reassigned to that team member. And that's how easy it is to reassign a number to another member in Calilio. Whether you're reorganizing teams or shifting roles, this feature helps keep your communication seamless. If you need further assistance, our support team is available 24/7 through the live chat to help you. Thanks for watching.